student also solve all the problems because their own colleagues are not there to help. Gusto ako platform assignments pala yan. Okay, mali pala yan. Wala na lang kung yung pangalan.
Ginara, sunod din na ma'am same question.
I can do please class. But I'm more okay, arguments are not accepted. It is acceptable conferences and it follows the example in advance. If a student makes an letter, she will get a 0 point for the exam assignment. Example. Mabugal?
Manghi ko.
Example, present ka, ay absent ka today, may inaayos na pwede. Kailangan, it's very unfair sa mga present na pagyalang ang mga scores assignment na absent naman. Assignment meaning given to the students. Kasi akong following kasaka, doon ang mga iya, tapos na lang ako, mo ay, yung na lang kasabi mo ko, exam sila sa kamong natilo doon sa personal illness or injury. Sudden hospitalization or death of the immediate family or member. Immediate family only father and mother. Pero kung nakatay sa nanay mo, kuya, si tatay mo, absent ka na, hasta rin mo, bubuhay pa kapatay mo. Ito pwede i-exclude.